teach people how to build the authority that their dream life requires with a blend of EFT tapping, nervous system reprogramming, and subconscious business beliefs. So yesterday I had a client who was talking about the future of her business and how she can't wait to become the highest version of herself. And I asked her how far away she thought that was. Like, if we were measuring in bridges, would it be a footbridge? Would it be short? Or would it be like a mile long distance? And she said to me, it's so long that I can't see the other side of the bridge. And I asked her, why did she think her higher self was so far away? To which she didn't really have an answer for. So I offered her my belief, having a deep understanding of her childhood and her inner loyalties to power. I told her that I believed she had been taught to place her dreams in unattainable locations and at large distances in order to feel safe with them. So I told her that I believed she learned that dreams were okay to have in the distance far away, but never okay to physically receive and realize, because she had learned that being a searcher or a researcher was her destiny. And a searcher or a researcher, in my terminology, is someone who never has or never does, but is always in the pursuit of something, always searching, always reaching, always almost there, but never quite. And she was blown away by this realization, this connection. And then the tapping that we did that followed that was full of tears and laughter and some burping as well, which is an amazing somatic release. But the reason that I'm telling you this is because I've noticed the same loyalties and the same habits in so many people. The need to keep dreams at a distance, the need to put your dreams literally life years away from you, because becoming your true authority self is actually the easiest thing that you will ever do, because it's naturally who you are. And this is part of what we're doing inside the Authority Project. We're identifying the conditions that you've placed on yourself that have kept you trapped in the false belief that your authority is not safe, that your dreams have to be years away from you in order to justify your procrastination. Ultimately, I teach you what I said at the beginning, how to build the authority that your dream life requires. Because if you deserve anything, you literally deserve this. And so the Authority Project is now open for enrollment. We begin on the 1st of September. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. This is something I haven't done before. This is a blend of like a live program. So we're doing every single day together. We have a mini masterclass or training from me every day. We have tapping. It's optional. You don't have to use it. And we also have action steps for the public section or the private. So if you're wanting to do the public part of it, it's posting, it's business stuff, it's fears of being seen. The private part of it is more about relationships, families, inner confidence, and the loyalty within yourself. So if you're wanting to join, it is now open for enrollment. Doors will be closing on the 31st of August. So if you do want to be a part of it, you have to enroll before then, because we are treating this like a live challenge in a way.